protective brew of antioxidants here. It's good for you. You have to have kale. Yummy. Doesn't that look just delicious? Hello, my name is Dr. Steve Reinders, optometrist and owner of Complete Family Eyecare in the southern suburbs of Minneapolis-St. Paul in the great state of Minnesota. Welcome to my kitchen. Tonight we're going to be talking about antioxidants, macular degeneration, and juicing. As you probably heard before, macular degeneration is the leading cause of blindness in the United States. Macular degeneration involves the age of the macula, which is the center of the retina responsible for your center of sight. As we get older, the macula ages and it essentially oxidizes over time, causing the macula to bleed and sometimes scar over, resulting in severe and sometimes permanent vision loss. AREDS study, age-related eye disease study, was started about 30 years ago and proved that if you take a certain potion or brew of antioxidants, and that will actually slow the oxidation of the macula, reducing the chance of developing macular degeneration. Now, you can get these antioxidants in different forms at the store, Ocuvite, Preservise, and different pills that you can take to get this Ares formula to help you prevent macular degeneration. But there's also natural ways that you can get the same antioxidants, and what we have here in front of me is my recipe for this antioxidant brew. I have several different things here that prove to be high in antioxidants, and what essentially we're doing is taking these ingredients and juicing them all up. And I looked at a couple different approaches. First one is time and preserving money too. So if you were to do this every single day with fresh fruit, that can get kind of expensive and also very time consuming. So what I do is I make a gallon of this juice every 12 days and I drink 10 ounces of it every single day. So in the course of this production, I'll be showing how I do this and divide it up and to make it kind of cost efficient and also time efficient. I got all this stuff at Target, so you can buy, I'm sure there's different places you can buy fresher fruits, fresher ingredients, but also it costs you quite a bit more money. But in either case, I just got a big mixed bag of mixed fruit from Target, and also cherry berry with kale. And anyway, I got these both frozen. You can get these, like I said, fresh if you want to. It's going to be more expensive. Key thing with these is to make sure you have them thoroughly thawed out. If they're not thawed out properly, you're just going to run through the juice. You're just going to get slush that comes out. You're not going to get any juice. So make sure and thaw them for 24 hours. Secondly, we have celery. I pretty much use a whole thing of celery for this. And then a couple pears, and then some carrots, and cucumbers, and an apple. Those are the main ingredients right there that actually taste good. From there, it's downhill as far as taste goes. Because then we move into the area that's very important is the kale and the spinach. The kale is very high in antioxidants in the Ares formula, and it's good for you, it's awesome, but in my opinion it tastes like crap. And then the spinach, not much better. And so what I do to kind of offset the flavor of this is at the end I've ground some ginger into the brew as well. And the ginger actually is really high in antioxidants also, and will make it taste just a little bit better. You can do it at any age if you want to. What's good for your eyes is obviously good for your body. To prevent macular degeneration, everyone past age 50 should do some sort of Ares formula, whether it be in the pill or the mixture we have here. Let's get started and we'll do some juicing here. This will be fun. This juicer I just bought from Target. It was just 50 bucks. One thing you want to do is make sure don't overfill your glass. With these big bags too, you can just take it and just drain some of the juice off. The juicer saves a little bit of time. I can get a little more juice out of that way also. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So there's a cucumber, celery. Just cut the butt of the celery off here. Make sure and have the glass that reads the spout. Wow. Almost ran that one over. So we got half a gallon already. Now we'll move into the nasty stuff. This is where the stink begins, but it's good for you. You have to have kale. And about halfway through, you're going to have to actually dump out some of the grindings here so you don't plug up the machine. On to the spinach. This is so much fun. That is... It's good for you. And some carrots. Carrots are good for your eyes. Pears. I wear my eye protector for this. Okay. Okay, how close are we getting here? Room for an apple. Ginger, this is like your saving grace to make it taste halfway decent. You can't go wrong on ginger. Always try to break up a little piece before I put it in there. Once again, ginger's high in antioxidants. That smells good. There's our full gallon. Mix it all up real good. Yummy. Does that look just delicious? Nice green juice like that. Oh, full of antioxidants. Okay. Here's Dad, optometrist, the myth and the legend. Really enjoyed to do a thorough job and make sure your experience is complete.
Hope to see you soon.
Okay, we're back from commercial break, and look who's joined us. Mrs. Reinders, office manager for Complete Family Eyecare. She absolutely loves my little brew of antioxidants here. Want a drink?
No, I refuse to drink this stuff. It smells like dirt, but
So
it is good for your
it's
eyeballs.
good for- exactly. So, what we did, like I said, we made a gallon of this, and so what I did to conserve space in the fridge is that I take out half a gallon, put it in a half a gallon jug here, 10 ounces in each one of these cups. Like there you go, 10 ounces in each one. Then I take these in and freeze them. Then they don't get nasty in the 12 days. So I drink this first, 10 ounces a day, thaw it out, so on and so forth, down 12 days is up. This can evaporate off, which is true. So what you also do is have jugs like this, you can put it also, I don't know, I just do this, it's fine. And then throw those in the freezer. Roughly for everything, about between $30 and $35 for 12 days, comes to about $2.50 to $3 a day, which, you know, isn't inexpensive, but also compared to a price if you go to the store and buy a kale smoothie or your latte from Starbucks, between $5 and $7 right there. It's actually fairly inexpensive. And time-wise, this took about 15-20 minutes of actually juicing time, and by the time you get things set up and cleanup time, everything the juicer's all cleaned up, it is about 45 to 50 minutes. So it's not a huge time commitment by any means. You only have to do it once every 12 days. And we're going to start the Complete Family Eyecare Food Network. Is that right? We're going to do that? So,
No.
all right. Thanks for watching. Good night.
Bye.